Hey everybody, this is Paul, and today I'm going to show you how to install a rain chain. Actually, I have an existing rain chain. Hopefully you've seen our video on it. You can see it here and what it looks like during a nice rainstorm. Now I've had this for about 10 years now, and you can see we just wanted a change. So I got a new one off of Amazon, and it wasn't very expensive. And it's actually kind of sort of on the cheaper side. It's bendable, but it's going to look beautiful no matter what. So I'm going to show you how to install this today, the steps to do it, and how to prevent splash, because I love the sound of these during a heavy rain, but depending on your zone or your climate, how much rain you get, it does tend to splash water onto the house. So to combat that, you're going to want to add some gravel like you've seen here, which we need to probably add some more, and add some mulch as well. So doing those two things should prevent splatter from staining your stucco or your home. So let's get started. Let me show you what I do, starting from the top to the bottom, how to install a lovely new rain chain. So if you don't have a drain, you can just put plenty of gravel. I'd probably recommend 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch size gravel, or even Riverstone. It's more expensive. But in this case, you can see I had an existing drain, so I just swapped out the cap and put a flat drain cap. And then after that, I bought a pot and I drilled extra holes using a ceramic drill bit. And so then I placed the pot right on top of this drain, and then I'll put in a little bit of the rock. And then now I'm ready to attach the rain chain. So let's do that now. So as you can see here, we need to attach this to something. And up here, I installed a copper wire from Home Depot with 2 screws about 10 years ago. So all I need to do is stick this straight through this downspout onto the wire. And there we go. So I'm gonna bring it down, just kind of maybe bend these flowers a bit, get them just how I want, and have it straight into this pot, which is above that drain. So now, kind of have it how I want. And I'm just gonna reuse this old gravel, but in this case, you could also use gravel from Home Depot. Bigger is a little better. You could also use Riverstone if you wanted some really fancy rocks as well. But some people have even used glass.
That makes sense.
So whatever you want. And then you just kind of get it nice and centered. And there you go. So it's that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this all dialed in, and then we'll turn on a hose so you can see it in action and hear its soothing sounds. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. It sounds really soothing. This one, it spreads out a little bit. You can see what I mean by kind of the splashing. But this was literally like a 10-minute install. So nice and easy. And now we have a beautiful new rain chain. And we can hear some soothing sounds during our next rainstorm.
Yeah, the noise is really satisfying.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite things.
Other than the dog.
All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. And hopefully you'll get yourself a rain chain and install it just like we did today. Thanks for watching. Take care.